Welcome Primary 5, Miss Eva Ahmed with you. Today we will start in Unit 2, Concept 1, Lesson 1. This unit or this concept is talking about the matter. Matter is anything around us as the example that you can see on this screen. What is the matter? Matter anything that has volume and mass. What is the meaning of volume? Volume is the space taken by a matter. Look at this picture. In this picture, you can see the liquid take 250 milliliter from the cylinder. So the volume of the liquid is 250 milliliter. So this liquid take a space from this beaker or cylinder equal 250 milliliter. So 250 milliliter is the volume of the matter. So volume is the space taken by the matter. When you sit on the chair, the space that you take from the chair, it's the volume of your body. So the volume is the space taken by a matter. But the mass is the amount of matter in an object, or the object contain how much matter, or what is the amount of the matter in an object. Okay, for example, if we have two bags, one bag contain one apple and the other bag contain 10 apples. Which one has more amount of matter? Which one contain more matter? Yes, the bags that contain 10 bags, 10 apples. So, which one has more mass? The bags that contain the one apple or the 10 apples? Very good, the 10 apples. So, the mass is the amount of matter in an object. Okay, so what is the matter? It's the the matter is anything that has volume and mass. And don't forget, volume is the space taken by the matter. To make it easy to understand what is the matter, matter is something that we can smell, like the flower, or like any smell, see, like anything you can see, feel, like the air. You cannot see the air, but you can feel the presence of the air. So, matter is anything we can smell, or see, or feel. States of matter. What is the meaning of states of matter? It's meaning that the matter exists in three shapes. We have three states of matter, so the matter exists. We can find the matter in three shapes, which are solid, liquid, gas. As you can see in this picture, solid like ice, liquid like water, gas like water vapor or steam. So, states of matter are three states, which are solid, liquid, and gas. Let's know some examples of states of matter. Let's start with the solid state. Solid states such as ice cube, wood cube, stone, iron, and sand. Liquids like water, oil, milk, vinegar, and gasoline. Gas like steam or water vapor, that's the steam or water vapor when we boil the water. Air, oxygen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, or any other gases. Let's go to another point, which is the properties of the matter. Okay, matter has five properties. Number one, color. Some matter has one color, or many colors, or no color. So the first property of the matter is color. Number two, volume or size. The volume of the matter can be very big, bigger than our planet, or very small. You cannot see it by your eyes. You need microscope to see it, like the germs. So according to the volume, we have very big and very small matter. Temperature. According to the temperature, matter can be hot or cold. Shape. Matter exists in many shapes. Round like a ball, square like a block, triangle like the pyramid, rectangle, cone, all the shapes that we know, the matter exists inside it. Hardness. Matter can be very hard like brick or soft like feathers. So we have five properties of the matter. We have how many properties? Five properties. Five properties of matter are color, volume, temperature, shape, and hardness. We finished lesson 1. Let's go to lesson 2. In this lesson, we will know why the matter is solid or liquid or gas. And at first, we must know two new expressions, which are definite, definite. This is the word definite. Definite means fixed or never change. So definite equal never change. The opposite is of definite is indefinite. So the new two expressions they are definite or and indefinite. Definite meaning never change. The opposite of definite is indefinite. Indefinite meaning can change. Okay. If 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 there is a question, give reason for why the brick is solid. We answer by the shape and the volume of the solid. In this lesson, we will identify or know the shape and the volume of each state of matter. If each state of matter has definite or indefinite shape or volume. So we'll talk about solid, liquid, gas, about the shape and the volume of each one of them. And we will start it with the solids. Solids have definite shape and volume. If we have a brick like this, if we put this brick anywhere, its shape will change. If we put it inside the water, its shape will change? No. If we throw it in the air, its shape will change? No. So solids have definite shape, meaning its shape never changes. If we put the brick inside a cylinder and then we put it inside a pan or different shape of a container, okay, so its shape will change? No, it will keep its shape. So solids have definite shape. Let's go to the volume. This brick take the volume, they take constant volume or fixed volume. What is the meaning of volume? Can you tell me? The space taken by the matter. If we put the brick anywhere, the space that taken by the brick will increase or decrease or change? No, it will take the same volume. So solids have definite shape and definite volume. Let's go to the liquids. As you can see here, I said before that we will talk about shape and volume in each state of matter. In the liquids, as you can see here, we put here some water. Then we transfer this water from this container to this container. Look at the different shapes of water. When we put the water here, it takes the shape of this container. But when we put it here, it takes the shape of its container. The shape here like the shape here? No. So liquids have indefinite shape. So its shape it changes according to its container. If we remove the water or any liquid from container to another or different container, its shape will change. So it has definite or indefinite shape, indefinite shape. Okay? And also as you can see in this picture, we put here 100 milliliter of water, which is the volume of water, right? What is the volume? It's the space taken by the matter. This water take which space, how many space from the cylinder? Take 100 milliliter. So the volume of water in this cylinder is equal 100 milliliter. If we transfer the water from the cylinder to this container, you can see that the water also its volume is 100 milliliter. So the volume here is equal the volume here. And if we remove it to another different container, the volume of water will be 100 milliliter. So liquids have definite or indefinite volume. Very definite. So liquids have indefinite shape but definite volume. And remember that solids have definite shape and definite volume. Let's go to the third state of matter, which is gases. As you can see, that's the shape of the balloon. The shape of the balloon are changed. Look, yes, right? If we blew up a circle balloon with air, so the air inside the balloon will take the circle shape. If we have a balloon in a rabbit shape and we blew air inside it, the air will take which shape? The shape of the rabbit, right? If we have a balloon in the shape of a heart, the air will take which shape? The shape of the heart. So the air take the shape of its container, or gases take the shape of their container. So they have definite or indefinite shape. Very good. Indefinite shape. Like what? Like solid or liquid? Very good. Like the liquids. So gases have indefinite shape. And this picture in front of you show you that the volume of gases is the definite or indefinite. As you can see, the volume of gases is what? Indefinite. Why? Because if we squeeze the balloon with our hands, the volume will change. If we put the balloon on a place, it will take a volume. But if we compress the balloon with our hands, so the space taken by the balloon will increase. If we squeeze the balloon with our hands, so the space taken by the balloon will decrease. So the gases have indefinite volume. They take the volume of their container. So, as we said before, solids have definite shape, definite volume. Liquids have indefinite shape but definite volume. Gases have indefinite shape and indefinite volume. Some gases cannot be seen, such as air, but we can feel the movement of the wind, blow and moves on some objects. Let's go to lesson 3, which talk about the particles of solids, particles of matter. Let's understand the particles of matter in the next video. Thank you for listening. Miss Eba Ahmed was with you.